What's going on, guys? It's Craig from MobileTechTalk, and I am at home, as most people are in the UK at the moment. I think everybody probably knows why. So this is the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 5G. So that's a bit strange. You don't see that on everybody's video, do you? Bit of sheep wool. Right, so the reason why I'm doing this video and testing the audio is I picked this up just to test 5G in my area with the number of SIM cards that I've got, and I've decided to review it as well because it's obviously an iteration over the original Mi Mix 3. But also, I got it incredibly cheap. I don't know whether it was a discount issue on the Xiaomi website. The Xiaomi website had this up for $699. I got it for $230. Looking around on the internet, you can get it for $270. 300, maybe 350. So I don't think it was that much of a discount. I think it was just marked high on the website. But either way, I thought it warranted kind of grabbing because it's got a bit of a unique design. It's got a slider selfie camera. So effectively, there's no notches, there's no cutouts, there's no teardrops or anything like that. What you're actually getting is a full front display. And then as you pull the display down, your 24 megapixel dual cameras on the selfie side are actually displayed, and I just think it's cool. So I thought I'd give a quick 4K video experience and audio experience in my garden, and just see how it's coping with things. So this is 4K. I'm sure they'll come out with a 40K camera soon. On the screen, it looks like it's doing a bit of HDR and some vibrancy pumping up. But the colour reproduction on the screen isn't excellent, but it looks very detailed. So let's just have a look at some of these flowers. And I'm trying not to move it around too much, but I'm holding it like I would if I was doing a normal 4K video. So I'm not trying to stabilize it too much. Let's see what's going on here. Everything dying. Fine. Now, it does look to me like it's very, very detailed, but as soon as I move to look at the sky, you see that the dynamic range there washed out. Now we've got the background. Washed out. Now we've got the background. Finding that happy medium is very difficult. That's pretty much as good as I'm going to get, but as you can see, the conifers are completely washed out. So this has just been a quick 4K 3-minute sample. There's going to be plenty more samples up on MobileTechTalk when I do the full review and sort this fence out. All this is really serving to do is tell me that I've got to spend a day in the garden whilst we're supposed to be staying at home. So this has been Craig from MobileTechTalk, and thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.